Okay. Good morning, class. Good morning, everyone. Today is our maths lecture, and I am going to teach you about fractions. What is meant by fraction? What are the parts of it? And why it is needed for us? Everything about fraction I am going to tell you in this lecture. Okay. So first we will discuss about previous knowledge. Okay. So we will discuss about what is meant by numerator and what is meant by denominator. We all know what is meant by numerator. Okay, the number above the line. Okay, the number above the line means top number is known as numerator, and the number below the line means bottom number is known as a denominator. Okay, so all of you clear about numerator and denominator. So now fraction. Fraction means what? Fraction means a whole number. Fractions means a whole number, complete number, and its many parts. Okay. So now we will know about why fraction is important for us. Why learning fraction is important for everyone. So we will discuss it. Fractions are important because they tell us about what portion of a whole you need. Means fractions हमें बताता है which portion do you need, which portion do you have from the whole, and what you want from the whole. Whole means complete. Whole means a complete number. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a whole. Okay. And fraction means some part of it. Some part of a whole is known as a fraction. So we come to know about what portion we need, what portion we have, what portion we want is known as a fraction. Okay, fraction is important for telling us about a portion of whole you need, you have, and you want. Okay, for example लेते हैं अभी हम. For example, a cake. Okay, a cake. We never eat a whole cake. हम कभी whole cake, पूरा केक अकेले नहीं खाते हैं. We eat a part of it. We eat a part of it. We cut it in a slice and we eat a part of it. Okay. So how much part did you eat? आपने कितना पार्ट खाया है केक में से? Okay. ये सब जानने के लिए हमें we need a fraction. How much part did you eat from the cake is known because of fractions. So everyone is come to know need of fraction. Okay. This is a need of fraction. So we will move forward. I will present you some slides. Okay. So you have to listen and watch carefully, everyone. So look at the screen.
So there is nothing to see.
Okay. Now you see on your mobile. Okay. Operations on fractions. Okay. Today we are going to learn about operations on fractions. In your math textbook, fourth lesson is there on page number 20. Operations on fractions. Now in this chapter, we will learn today about fraction. What is meant by fraction? What is meant by mixed number? Improper fractions, proper fractions. Okay, adding about mixed fractions and adding improper fractions. So all we are going to learn today. Okay. Now second, yes, operations on fractions.
Miss,
Yes, sir.
is that mobile is horizontal or vertical?
Vertical.
आपकी आवाज
Keep that horizontal.
Okay.
Keep that horizontal.
Okay. Is it clear, sir?
Yes, right.
Okay. Shall I continue?
Continue.
Okay, sir. Okay. Fractions. So everyone is see clearly. Now we will discuss about key terms, means important terms in the fractions. Fractions, proper fractions, we have to know about proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed number. Okay. In fifth standard, you also studied fractions. Okay. So now we will go to move forward. What are the fractions? Fractions means fractions क्या है? What is meant by fractions? Okay. So listen carefully. Fractions are for counting part of something. Fractions means it is a part for counting of something. Okay. Loosely speaking, a fraction is a quantity that cannot be presented by a whole number. Means fraction एक quantity है that cannot be represented by a whole number. Means whole number means 1, 2, 3, 4. Whole number से हम उसको represent नहीं कर सकते हैं. It is a quantity that cannot be represented by a whole number. A fraction from the Latin fractus broken is a number that can represent a part of a whole. Fraction can represent a part of a whole. Fraction क्या represent करता है? Specific part from a whole number. Okay. The earliest fraction were reciprocals of integer. Ancient symbols representing one part of 2, one part of 3, one part of 4, and so on. Means half portion we can represent by fraction, 1/3 portion we can represent by fraction, 1/4 portion, okay, and so on. Okay, this is known as a fraction. A much later development where a common or vulgar fractions which are still used by today. For example, 1/2, 3/5/8, 3/4, etc. These all known as a fraction. Okay, fraction is a counting for part for something. Okay, next slide. Example. So look at the examples. Here some are the pictures. Yes. So look at the picture of a clock. In this clock, the time is 1:55. Okay. So we will describe it by a fraction. Okay, 55 divided by 60, because 60 is a 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour. Okay. Second picture is a cake picture. Look at the picture of cake. There is a whole circle of a cake and one part is outside. So we will describe it as there are 11 parts. There are total 12 parts and one part is outside. So 11/12. Okay. These all pictures shows the examples of a fraction. There is also one apple given. Okay. We will denote it by a number. One whole apple and 2 pieces are there from the whole apple, another apple. So 1, 2/10. So these all are the examples of fractions. Okay, now we will move towards types of fractions. So what is meant by types of fractions? What are the types of fractions? Okay, there are many types of fractions. First one is proper fractions and improper fractions. Second one is mixed fractions. Third one is like fractions and unlike fractions. Fourth one is unit fraction and whole fraction. And last is equivalent fractions. Okay, all these are the types of fractions. So we will learn all the types step by step. Okay. First one is proper fraction and improper fraction. Second is mixed fraction. Third one is like fractions and unlike fractions. Fourth is unit fractions and a whole fraction. And fifth one is equivalent fractions. So first we will study about improper fractions. So what is meant by improper fraction? Improper fraction क्या है? Okay, we will know about it. Improper fraction. A fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. As we study earlier, what is meant by numerator and what is meant by denominator. So a fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator. एक ऐसा फ्रैक्शन जिसमें न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर से ग्रेटर है, बड़ा है. ओके, उसको हम इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस बोलते हैं. अ फ्रैक्शन वेयर द न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर. द वैल्यू ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन is always more than 1. Okay. For example, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 3, 7 upon 4, 8 upon 5, etc. Okay. All of you understood about improper fractions. Means the numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator जो नंबर है वो बड़ा होता है डिनोमिनेटर से. उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? We will call it as a improper fraction. Okay. For example, 8 upon 5. Okay. These all examples are of improper fractions. Okay. Now, need of a fraction. As we studied earlier, consider the following scenario. Can you finish the whole cake at once? No. If not, how many cakes did you eat? आपने कितने केक खाए हैं? 1 is not the answer. Neither is 0. Okay. आपने पूरा भी केक नहीं खाया है और कुछ भी नहीं खाया है. This suggests that we need a new kind of a number. इसके लिए जो नंबर हम कितना हमने केक खाया है उसको बताने के लिए हमें एक स्पेसिफिक नंबर की जरूरत पड़ेगी. We need a specific number for that. That we called as a fraction. उसको हम बोलेंगे fractions. So now parts of a fraction. Okay, what are the parts of a fraction? The denominator tells us how many congruent pieces the whole is divided into. Thus, this number cannot be 0. Okay, the denominator हमें क्या बताता है? How many congruent pieces of the whole is divided into. So it cannot be a 0. वो कभी 0 नहीं हो सकता. And the numerator tells us how many such pieces are being considered. Okay, so for example, a upon b. Okay, these are the example of numerator and denominator parts of a fraction. I am the a. A says that I am the numerator. Okay, I will tell you the number of parts. मतलब जो numerator number रहता है वो क्या indicate करता है? It indicates the number of parts. And b is the denominator. B is the denominator. And I will tell you the name of parts. And b, what b indicates, what the denominator number indicates? It indicates the name of a part. It indicates. Okay, understood? A is the numerator and b number is the denominator. A indicates you number of parts, means numerator indicates you number of parts, and b is the denominator. B indicates you name of parts. Okay, we will take examples later on. Okay, now mixed fractions. What is meant by mixed fractions? We just now we learn about improper fractions. Now there is a mixed fractions. Means what is meant by mixed fractions? Mixed fractions क्या होते हैं? Okay, in mixed fractions, a whole number and the proper fractions are together. Okay, for example, 2 1 upon 4, 16 2 upon 5 means there is a one whole number. उधर एक whole number होता है पहले 1 2 3 4 and continuously. Okay, and another number is in a fraction form 1 upon 4, 2 upon 5, etc. So these numbers we called it as a mixed fraction. Okay, mixed fraction and improper fractions are same. मिक्स फ्रैक्शंस जो होते हैं और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस जो होते हैं वो सेम होते हैं. वी कैन यूज एनी टू शो द सेम अमाउंट. अभी एक अमाउंट शो करने के लिए हम मिक्स फ्रैक्शन से भी दिखा सकते हैं और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन से भी शो कर सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर इट वन एग्जाम्पल इज गिवन. ओके, सो हियर इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ पिज्जा. ओके, सो हियर ऑन योर लेफ्ट साइड हियर वन कंप्लीट पिज्जा इज देयर. ओके, so here above that picture there is written 1 3 upon 4 and another pizza. देखो 3 parts are there and 1 part is eaten. Okay, so 3 divided by 4. 1 complete means whole number is 1 and it is a fractional part. Side का जो दिया है वो fractional part है. It is a 3 divided by 4 is equal to. This is called as a mixed fraction. जो लेफ्ट साइड में दिया है is equal to के लेफ्ट साइड में दिया है that we called as a mixed fraction, means complete whole number and 3 divided by 4. And on your right side, complete one pizza is there and another picture, 3 portions of pizza is there. Okay, so we will also write it as a, how many portions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But one portion is eaten, already eaten. So we write it as a 7 divided by 8. Okay, so this is a improper fraction. Okay, understood? So mixed fraction is equal to improper fraction. मतलब जो mixed number रहता है, mixed fraction रहता है, वो improper fraction से same है. मतलब वो दोनों same है. Okay, these both numbers are same. 1 3/4 is equal to 7/8. These both numbers are same. Okay, understood? Mixed fractions and improper fractions are same. Okay, understood? Next slide. Proper and improper fraction. Now we study about proper. What is meant by proper fraction? How we identify कौन सा proper fraction है and which one is improper fraction. So let us see the example. Okay, 7/4. Okay, 7/4. 7 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. Okay, so if the numerator is less than the denominator, so it's called as a proper fraction. Okay, so here in numerator fraction, in improper fractions, the numerator is greater or equal to denominator. Everyone whole number is improper fractions. अगर numerator greater हुआ है denominator से, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Improper fraction. Okay, this is one example of improper fraction, 7/4, and here it is 1/4. This is the example of proper fraction. Proper fraction में numerator लेस होता है, छोटा होता है डिनोमिनेटर से, ये ध्यान में रखना है. न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर एंड इन इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन द न्यूमरेटर इज ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर. जो न्यूमरेटर है वो डिनोमिनेटर से बड़ा है. सॉरी. So this is a proper fraction and improper fraction. So now what is meant by equivalent fraction? Equivalent fraction क्या होता है? Okay, they are the fractions that may have many different appearances but they are the same. Means ये जो fraction है equivalent fraction, उसको appearances different रहते हैं but they are same, पर वो same है. In the following picture, अभी नीचे एक picture दिया है. In the following picture we have 1/2 half of a cake. Half cake दिया है. As the cake is divided into 2 congruent parts, मतलब जो केक है वो 2 congruent parts में डिवाइड किया है and we have only one of those parts. और हमें हमारे पास खाली we have only one of those parts, only one part है. Okay, but if we cut the cake into smaller congruent pieces, we can see it. अगर हमने केक को small pieces में कट किया congruent pieces में, so we can see it. For example 1/2 half cake मिल सकता है 2/4, 4/8, 3/6 examples. Okay, so this is all about equivalent fractions. Now next is unit fractions and whole fractions. So what is meant by unit fraction? Unit मतलब क्या and whole fractions means what? Okay, in unit fractions the numerator of the fraction is 1. अभी जो यूनिट फ्रैक्शन रहता है उसमें न्यूमरेटर 1 रहता है. इन यूनिट फ्रैक्शन द न्यूमरेटर इज 1. ओके, एंड द होल फ्रैक्शन, इन द होल फ्रैक्शन द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द फ्रैक्शन इज 1. ओके, मीन्स यूनिट फ्रैक्शन में जो आपका न्यूमरेटर रहता है, अबव नंबर रहता है, लाइन का ऊपर का नंबर रहता है, वो 1 रहता है. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1/2, 1/4, 1/9. These all are the examples of unit fractions. Those numerator is 1, and in the whole fraction the denominator of fraction is 1. Means in the whole fraction में denominator आपका 1 रहेगा. that is called as a whole fraction, means complete number. For example, 5 upon 1, 8 upon 1, 3 upon 1. These all are the examples of a whole fraction. Okay. So all of you understood about unit fractions and whole fractions. Unit fractions में numerator का number 1 रहेगा and in the whole fraction the number of denominator is 1. Okay, making equivalent fractions. Okay, so now we will study how to make equivalent fractions. To make equivalent fraction, we multiply the fraction with a special form of 1, same numerator and denominator. For example, 4 upon 4, 10 upon 10, etc. मतलब अभी हमें इक्विवेलेंट फ्रैक्शन बनाना है तो हम सेम डिजिट से दोनों को, न्यूमरेटर को भी और डिनोमिनेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 4 अपॉन 5, 4 अपॉन 5 इज इक्वल टू, अभी उसको हमें सेम फॉर्म में लाना है, स्पेशल फॉर्म में लाना है, तो हम एक सेम, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय अ सेम नंबर. सो हियर इन दिस एग्जांपल वी मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय अ नंबर 5. So 4 multiplied by 5 divided by 5 multiplied by 5. So 4 5 are 20 and 5 5 are 25. We make it is in a special form. This is equivalent fraction. So now, okay, adding mixed fractions. How to add a mixed fraction? Two mixed fractions. When we add two mixed fractions, change the mixed fraction to improper fractions first. Means when we add two mixed fractions, हमें जब भी एडिशन करनी है two mixed fractions की, so first of all what we have to do, we have to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and then to a like fraction. Okay, at last add the improper like fraction. Don't forget to change the answer to mixed fraction again. We will take the examples forward. Okay, adding fractions with same denominator. When we add the fractions with same denominator, for example, 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6, okay, which is a number, and in this number there is a same denominator. उसमें same denominator है, that is here is a 6 and here it is also 6. So 1 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6 is equal to, we will add the numerator first. Okay, 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and we will leave the denominator as it is, means no change in the denominator. So here it comes 3 upon 6 is equal to 1 upon 2. We will divide it again, it comes 1 upon 2. So it is important to know while adding the numerator, while adding the fractions with same denominator, the rule is add the numerator. Numerator का आपको addition करना है and we will leave the denominator as it is, means denominator का addition नहीं करना है. Okay, so here answer we will get 3 upon 6. We will again divide it. We will get the answer 1 upon 2. So now subtracting the mixed fraction. Now how we will subtract the mixed fraction? Change the mixed fraction to improper fractions. अभी मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, तो वी विल फर्स्ट चेंज इट इनटू द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, उसका कन्वर्शन करेंगे एंड देन टू लाइक फ्रैक्शन. एट लास्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट द इम्प्रॉपर लाइक फ्रैक्शन. डोंट फॉरगेट टू आंसर द चेंज द आंसर इनटू मिक्स फ्रैक्शन अगेन. मतलब चेंज, हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन करने के लिए सबसे पहले मिक्स फ्रैक्शन को इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. एट लास्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट द इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, इम्प्रॉपर लाइक फ्रैक्शंस. डोंट फॉरगेट, और जो भी आंसर हमारा आएगा उसको फिर से हमें मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है. Okay, now we had seen the adding fraction with same denominator. So now we will see about adding fractions with different denominator. जब भी हमें एडिशन करनी होती है फ्रैक्शंस की with the different denominators, इसमें डिनोमिनेटर जो है डिफरेंट है. Okay, so how we will do this? If there are different denominator in the fractions, then we change them to like fractions. Means, for example, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Okay, so we will change them first like fractions में हमें उसको change करना है. So 1 upon 3. We will multiply it with the same number. So we will multiply it by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. And on the right side, second number is given 2 upon 5. We will also convert it into the like fraction. So we will multiply it by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 6 upon 15. Okay. So here it comes 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 15 plus 6 upon 15. तो डिनोमिनेटर हमने सेम लाया है, दोनों का सेम करे है डिनोमिनेटर. So what is the rule of adding the fractions with same denominator? We have to add numerator first and keep it as it is और डिनोमिनेटर मीन्स डिनोमिनेटर को हमें ऐड नहीं करना है, उसको एज इट इज रखना है. So 5 plus 6 11 and denominator is 15. अभी जो ऑपरेशंस ऑन फ्रैक्शंस है उसमें अलग अलग पार्ट्स आते हैं. मीन्स इट कम्स एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, डिवीजन एंड मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, 4 पार्ट्स आर देयर. So now we will study about the conversion. Now we will study about the conversion. How we convert improper fraction to mixed fraction. How we will convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. अभी improper fraction मतलब क्या है वो हमें समझ में आया है. Mixed fraction means what that we have understood. So now conversion of it. Improper fraction to a mixed fraction. How we convert improper fraction to a mixed fraction. Divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is the leading number. The remainder as the new numerator. ओके, मीन्स इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का कन्वर्जन हमें करना है मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में. सो फर्स्ट वी हैव टू डिवाइड द न्यूमरेटर बाय द डिनोमिनेटर. हमें न्यूमरेटर को डिवाइड करना है डिनोमिनेटर से एंड द कोशेंट इज द लीडिंग नंबर. जो कोशेंट आएगा वो लीडिंग नंबर रहेगा एंड द रिमाइंडर इज द न्यू न्यूमरेटर. एंड व्हाइल कन्वर्टिंग द मिक्स नंबर टू अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन मल्टीप्लाई द होल नंबर विद द डिनोमिनेटर. मतलब जो होल नंबर रहेगा उसको डिनोमिनेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है एंड ऐड द न्यूमरेटर टू इट. और जो ऊपर का नंबर रहेगा उसको ऐड करना है. द आंसर इज द न्यूमरेटर एंड द डिनोमिनेटर इज सेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल हियर इट एग्जाम्पल गिवन. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन का कन्वर्शन किया है 9 upon 8. ओके, तो 9 upon 8 डिवाइड किया है. तो 9 डिवाइडेड बाय 8, 8 1 8, remainder is 1, quotient is 1. So here is the formula. Quotient is equal to quotient, remainder and the divisor. So 1, remainder is 1 and divisor is 8. And example of we will see the example afterwards. Okay, this is the example of conversion of mixed number to improper fraction. Look at this example, everyone. First example 2 1 upon 2 is equal to. So this is a mixed number. This is a mixed number and we have to convert it into the improper fraction. So we first multiply 2 multiplied by 2 and plus 1. उसमें हम 1 ऐड करेंगे divided by numerator 2 as it is. So 2 multiplied by 2, 2 2s are 4 plus 5. 5 upon 2. We will get the improper fraction. तो हमने मिक्स नंबर को किसमें कन्वर्ट किया है? इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में. तो सेकंड एग्जांपल 1 3 upon 10 इज इक्वल टू 10 को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 1 से. 10 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 प्लस 3 एंड न्यूमरेटर एज इट इज. तो 10 plus 3 13 डिवाइडेड बाय 10. दिस इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ मिक्स नंबर कन्वर्शन इनटू अ इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. So now we have to convert improper fraction to a mixed number. अभी here it is a example given 11 upon 4. ये example 11 upon 4 का ये जो है 11 upon 4 ये improper fraction है. This is a improper fraction and we have to convert it into the mixed fraction. Okay. So we will first divide 11 divided by 4 and we will get the answer. So the formula is 2. What is meant by 2? 2 is the quotient. 2 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder and 4 is the divisor. Okay, this is the formula and we will get the mixed number. Summary. A fraction, proper fraction, a fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called as a proper fraction. Means proper fraction क्या होता है? न्यूमरेटर छोटा रहता है डिनोमिनेटर से, उसको हम प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन बोलते हैं. And in improper fraction, the fraction where the numerator is greater than the denominator is called as improper fraction. Okay, numerator बड़ा रहेगा denominator से, उसको हम improper fractions बोलेंगे. And a mixed fraction is nothing but a whole fraction. Okay, whole fraction plus a fraction. Okay, whole number plus a fraction. We can convert the improper fraction into a mixed fraction and mixed fraction to a improper fraction. So now we will take some examples. I will show you a whiteboard. Please look at the board. We will solve some examples about the conversion of mixed number to improper fraction. First, we will take conversion of improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, so this is a number. This is the number of a improper fraction. This is an improper fraction. We have to convert it into the mixed number. So how we will convert? How we will convert it? We will divide it. We will divide it. Divide the numerator by the denominator. So here we make a division. Okay. So divide it first. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Okay, so here we get the answer. 0 is the remainder, 3 is the quotient, and 2 is the divisor. Okay, so what is the formula? Q plus means quotient plus remainder divided by divisor. Okay, it is a formula. It is a formula. So we will add it. Now we will put it. Here we got our answer 6 divided by. So in formula we will हम formula में वो सब numbers लिखेंगे. 3 is the quotient plus remainder is 0 and what is the denominator? What is the divisor? Divisor is 2. So here we will get the answer 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So it is the conversion of improper fraction to a mixed number. So let us take the another example of conversion. Let us take another example of conversion of mixed number to improper fraction. How we will convert the mixed number to improper fraction? This is a mixed number and we have to convert it into the improper fraction. Okay. So first we will multiply 3 multiplied by 2 and then we will add. So 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 2 8 divided by 3. 6 plus 2 8 divided by. Here we got the answer. This is our improper fraction. This is our improper fraction. We convert it into the improper fraction. Mixed number to improper fraction. So another example we will take conversion of improper fraction. 4 1/2. This is a mixed number. We have to convert it into the improper fraction. So we will multiply 4 multiplied by 2 and then we will add it into. Okay. So 4 into 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9 and numerator is 2. So it is a improper fraction. Here we convert mixed number to a improper fraction. Okay. Now, students, I will ask you some questions. So, you have to raise your hand while giving the answer. Okay. So, my first question is, what is meant by fraction? What is meant by fraction? So, tell me what is meant by fraction. Yes, Ayush. Unmute Ayush. Please unmute Ayush. Okay. Give the answer.
The equal part. Fraction
Yes.
is the equal part of a whole.
Okay. Equal part of a whole. Okay. Very good. Suhani, tell me the answer of what is meant by fraction. Yes. Please unmute. Yes.
Fraction is
Give
a
the-
equal part.
Okay. So now my next question is, what is meant by proper fraction? What is meant by proper fraction? Okay. Here are the raised hands. Krishna, give the answer. What is meant by proper fraction?
A proper fraction is a fraction less than 1 with the numerator less than the denominator.
Okay, means proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. Okay. My next question is, what is meant by the improper fraction? What is meant by improper fraction? Yes. Raise your hand. Ayush.
A fraction whose number is greater than denominator.
Okay. A fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, very good. So, next question is, what is meant by a mixed fraction? Mixed fraction means what? Raise your hand. Yes, Krishna. Mixed fraction.
A number that has both a whole number and a fraction.
Okay, means a number has a whole number and a fraction is known as a mixed fraction. Or anyone can tell about mixed fraction? और कौन बोलेगा mixed fraction के बारे में? सुहानी, yes. Suhani, tell me about mixed fraction. What is mixed fraction? Hariom, tell me about mixed fraction. Yes, Hariom.
Yes. A number has that both number, a whole number and a fraction.
Okay, means whole number or fraction. Whole number and a fraction is known as a mixed fraction. Okay, very good. So now your homework is write down about the fractions definition of proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fractions. Okay. In next session, we will go to study about how to add the mixed number to improper fraction, and how to subtract the mixed number to improper fraction. Okay. Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hi everybody. This is Vijay sir from Geoganigram MPS. The class was very nice and the students were also very nice. So I am going to tell you some important things during the class. When class is going there, do not talk each other. Just raise your hand and ask your doubts. Okay. Next thing is you will get 10 minutes after the class to solve your doubts. You can ask your doubts to teacher when the class ends. Now this class is online and it will be run throughout the state. So you can call your friends and tell your friends who are studying in 6th standard and tell them to join the same every day from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. So at 8 a.m. today there is a maths. After 8 there is a science class also. So everyday class will be there. So teachers, class teachers, they will share their links to their students. Just today I have seen here my students are also there. So like this way we have to follow and do this work. So anybody want to say something or have doubts, so you can ask the teacher and to me also. Honey, you have your hand raised. Want to ask
Any
something?
doubts, Suhani? Any question?
Unmute yourself and ask. Okay. Now the class ends. Thank you. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much.